How much is the annual real estate tax on a $135,000 property assessed at $47,250 with an equalization factor of 125% and a 2.5% tax rate? A. $1,181. B. $1,418. C. $1,477. D. $945. Among these, which is a general lien? A. Mechanics lien. B. Judgment. C. Bail bond lien. D. Real estate taxes. Which kind of life insurance has prices based on the insured's current age but can be renewed annually without a needed medical exam? A. Renewable term. B. Decreasing term. C. Convertible term. D. Key person insurance. Which of the following criteria must be met by a policy in order to avoid being labeled as a MEC? A. 6-pay test. B. 7-pay test. C. 8-pay test. D. 10-pay test. The following choices are all exempt from forfeiture, except A. Cash dividend option. B. Accumulation at interest option. C. Paid-up option. D. Reduced paid-up insurance. A mechanics lien may be filed by A. Taxing authority. B. Seller's real estate agent. C. Contractor. D. Buyer's real estate agent. Which of the following changes the Social Security Act so that group health insurance takes precedence over Medicare? A. ERISA. B. Medicare. C. TEFRA. D. COBRA. General property taxes on real estate that pay for government operations are called A. Improvement taxes. B. Special assessment taxes. C. Special taxes. D. Ad valorem taxes. Which lien is voluntary and specific? A. Mortgage lien. B. Mechanics lien. C. IRS tax lien. D. Special assessment. Subject to appropriate exclusions, a document that protects against hidden risk such forgeries and title problems is called A. An abstract of title. B. A certificate of title. C. A title insurance policy. D. A chain of title. Which of the following requires a covered employee to consent to a pay cut so that the money can be used to pay for medical costs? A. Notice of claim. B. Flexible spending account. C. Health savings account. D. Insuring clause. A mortgage's discount points are calculated as a percentage of A. The down payment. B. The amount borrowed. C. The selling price. D. The closing cost. When a person has full control over a piece of land, they are said to A. A defeasible fee estate. B. A life estate. C. A fee simple estate. D. A leasehold estate. Carbon monoxide is not the following. Carbon monoxide is not the following. A. Quickly absorbed in the body. B. A natural result of combustion. C. Easy to detect by smell. D. A result of incomplete combustion. How much is a property worth if its gross rent multiplier is 112 and its monthly rent is $600? A. $76,200. B. $27,600. C. $67,200. D. $62,700. Which law says that any advertisement that talks about mortgage financing terms must include certain information? A. Fair Housing Act. B. Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act. C. Equal Credit Opportunity Act. D. Truth in Lending Act. Rents in most market areas are based on A. A tenants' union. B. Supply and demand factors. C. The local apartment owners association. D. Department of Housing. A developer gives permission to a local power company to put in transmission lines. This right demonstrates A. Easement by prescript tie-in. B. Conditional use permit. C. License. D. Easement in gross. All of these are important parts of a contract, except A. Offer and acceptance. B. Competent grantor. C. Lawful objection. D. Consideration. A contract that gives another the right to hold real property but not title is A. A lease. B. A quitclaim deed. C. A bill of sale. D. A dedication. A debtor's real and personal property is affected by this lien. A. Specific. B. General. C. Specific. D. Involuntary. If a firm wishes to cover its CEO's life, what form of insurance should it buy? A. Industrial life insurance. B. Key person insurance. C. Group life policy. Which defense time restriction makes the policy incontestable? A. 2 years. B. 12 months. C. 5 years. D. 18 months. Which 3 permanent individual life insurance types are most common? A. Universal life, A&D, term life. B. Group life, whole life, variable life. C. Variable life, whole life, universal life. D. Whole life, incidental life, term life. Which key distinction between individual and group health insurance exists? A. Evidence of insurability is necessary for individual insurance. B. Evidence of insurability is required for group insurance. C. A lower unfavorable selection rate is typical for group insurance. D. An eligibility term is part of individual insurance. Which form of policy allows the policyholder to change the death benefit and is supported by equity investments? A. Variable life. B. Regular whole life. C. Variable universal life. D. Term life. Which must a policy pass to avoid being a mech? A. 7-pay test. B. 5-pay test. C. Accelerated benefits test. D. Policy loan test. Which of the following applies most frequently to term life insurance? A. It serves as insurance for mortgage credit. B. Over time, the fee goes up. C. It starts with little to no insurance coverage. D. Over time, insurance coverage gets less and less. What's guaranteed with a straight life policy? A. Death benefit only. B. Cash value only. C. Both cash value and death benefit. D. Neither cash value nor death benefit. What's a non-qualified annuity's tax advantage? A. Growth is tax-free. B. Premiums are tax-deductible. C. Growth is tax-deferred. D. Premiums are not tax-deductible. A qualified plan is which of the following? A. Individual annuity. B. 401k. C. Deferred compensation. D. Split dollar. Living benefits are provided by which life insurance? A. Term. B. Conventional. C. No life insurance policy provides living benefits. D. Whole. All of the following characteristics of a single premium whole life insurance except: A. Coverage provided for the insured's entire life. B. Face amount is variable. C. Immediate cash value. D. Back-end loaded. Under a personal policy, someone insured who cannot perform the tasks of his or her own occupation for a specified length of time is: A. Occupationally disabled. B. Permanently disabled. C. Residually disabled. D. Totally disabled. Consideration, acceptance, and offer are all required elements of: A. A representation. B. A contract. C. Insurable interest. D. A warranty. Basic whole life insurance includes all of the following except: A. Interim term. B. Continuous premium. C. Limited payment. D. Limited payment. Which policy is double indemnity? A. Key employee. B. Term life. C. Whole life. D. Accidental death. Business partners buying life insurance on each other? A. A cross-purchase plan. B. Split dollar insurance. C. An entity plan. D. Key employee life insurance. The agreement that defines the legal rights of the buyer and seller in a real estate transaction is called the A. Listing agreement. B. Purchase contract. C. Abstract of title. D. Deed. Usury laws were made to protect the A. Broker. B. Borrower. C. Lender. D. Seller. Condominiums are better than detached single-family homes because A. A condominium requires no maintenance. B. Condominium ownership has more tax advantages. C. A condominium tends to be more affordable. D. A condominium is easier to resell. A contract is when one party fails to fulfill a condition. A. Executed. B. Cancelled. C. Breached. D. Void. It is common practice for a property owner and management to get into an agency partnership by A. Payment of a management fee. B. An exclusive agency agreement. C. An independent contractor agreement. D. Management agreement. Federal laws about truth in lending are also called A. Regulation Z. B. Title 8. C. The Equal Credit Opportunity Act. D. The Freedom of Information Act. Who ensures the property has good title before closing? A. Title agent. B. Mortgage broker. C. Appraiser. D. Underwriter. Inverse condemnation lawsuits are filed by A. A homeowner. B. The police. C. The zoning board. D. The city. Most states sell foreclosed properties through A. Deficiency judgment. B. Sealed bids. C. Right of redemption. D. Public auction. If a debtor refuses to pay after a judgment has been issued, how may the creditor collect? A. Unlawful detainer. B. Notice of default. C. Writ of execution. D. Notice of lien. If an older structure cannot be equipped with air conditioning, it is an example of A. Functional obsolescence. B. Physical deterioration. C. External deterioration. D. Economic obsolescence. FHA acts most like A. An investment group. B. Bank or savings and loan association. C. An insurance company. D. Mortgage company. What does the underwriter do? A. Researching the history of the property's title. B. Providing the funds for the mortgage. C. Ensuring the borrower is capable of paying the mortgage. D. Making sure the value of the house is greater than the mortgage amount.